If we install WordPress locally in our computer, normally the address is localhost / and then your website. Even though we can check website responsiveness in the browser, but sometimes as a designer we need to test website exactly in mobile phone, tablet or any other device. And there is no way to do this with local website. But in this video, I'm going to share with you a ninja technique that you can check and open your local installed WordPress website on any other device. So hello guys, I'm Eman Sadiq and welcome to WWEngineer. Okay, for the first time, don't forget to run your Xampp. There are two popular software. One is Xampp, another is WAM. We're gonna use in this video Xampp. So click here and automatically Apache and MySQL run in the background. I will put automatic run system. If I right click here, now you see green Apache and MySQL. That means it's running. So now I'm going to open a browser, that is Google Chrome. Okay, first time let me show you the normal way. Most of the time we use like this way, that is we write here localhost / and then your website name, and my all website installed in another folder, that is WP. Therefore I'm writing and click enter. Now you see all local installed website listed here. So this is normal way. If I click any website like practice, now you see this is website homepage. So now the fact is this website, it will not run on our mobile phone or any other device, only will run in this computer. So how do you do that? So the solution is we need to write in the address bar our computer IP address. Like I'm gonna show you. Now you see again all my website listed, but the address is different. That is my computer IP address and same folder and all thing is same. So also you have a IP address for your computer. Now the question is, how do you find your computer IP address? To find this, just you need to open CMD. I'm writing here CMD searching, then open, and then right here ipconfig space / all. Also I will put in video description. Now you see all your adapter, all your connection, Bluetooth, everything information showing here. So here we need to find wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. Here you can see IP version 4 address. Like you see here, this address is assigned for my this computer. So I'm gonna copy this IP address and you can paste it and then enter. So now again you see all the thing. So solution is, without installing WordPress on localhost, we will install on this IP address. So I'm gonna show you a demo. So just go to file manager and then open C drive and then Xampp and then here htdocs, and now you see here my WP folder. If you do not write here any folder, all your website will be listed here. So now I'm going to here and then just I extract it here, and this is the folder that, so I'm gonna name this website testing for IP, and then again I'm going to browser and then here after / paste and then enter. Now you see our installation process is here. If you are familiar with WordPress, you know how to do that. I just make fast forward this video. Now you see our website installed already. Now I'm giving here username and password and login. Okay, this is our website. So if I click over here, now you see this is new fresh website. Now let's go to mobile phone and see this website. Also, I'm opening here Google Chrome and write exactly that IP address. Again, you see here all my website. I'm gonna click testing for IP website. Now you see the address, same address, website. Now this website, you can open any other device. The device is connected to your local network, same Wi-Fi. You can open it by writing this address. And here is a problem, that is this IP address will not be same all time. When our computer restart and router restart or electricity disconnected, the IP address will be changed. If IP address change, the website will not run. So to solve this problem, we need to assign static IP. And to set static IP for your computer, how do you do that? I have a video, link in the description. If you don't know, absolutely you have to watch that video and you can set your static IP to avoid this problem. So that's all for today. Hope video was helpful and you have learned something. Don't forget to leave a comment and give a thumbs up. If you are new, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.